That's the end of the session. P4.
What is up with this setup with 6,500 RPM?
The track temp is 44 Celsius, 30 laps. Follow car number 3 in the outside lane.
Green flag, next time by. Line up on the outside. Pit road is closed.
Yeah, someone's in the grass already.
Seen that. Looks like he's about to quit. I think he disappeared. One down.
Get ready, going green.
Okay, Derek, here we go. Go, go,
Green
go.
flag, green flag.
Wrecking behind us. Oh my God, dude.
Sorry, God. Sorry, God, the yellow car didn't go. Hey, Jeremiah, don't you think it's a little early for a racing like that?
Yeah, that was crazy.
You're pulling away from the guy behind. The gap's now 6.9.
Jeremiah's gonna turn the leader on the first lap.
Yeah, man, stay off my bumper in the turn, dude.
This ain't a 10-lap shootout, yo. It's 30 laps.
I just don't want to be behind.
0.668.
Got car high. He's still there.
I can't stand the lack of
Still
RPM
there.
in this setup.
You're clear outside. Navarro is leading the race. The leader has just done a 49.6 V4.
You're back and forth.
Hey, you're not going to be up over these, hold the line, get pushing.
Geez, Steven, you just blinked like crazy. Holy shit.
The gap behind has increased to 0.9.
48.7.
Sure it is.
The leader has just done a 48.9. That lap time was car down low. The guy ahead has just posted a 48.9. Clear inside.
Track together, and these guys trying to test the overtake lead. Instead of just helping each other and push each other.
We've got a car low.
Inside.
Still there. Hold your line.
Still there.
He really wants a 7th place.
Still there.
Man,
Still there.
no worries,
Clear
I'm
low.
not gonna touch. I fell down to the back to be sure I wouldn't hit anyone, and I just got hit by that freaking at the start, so I'm not planning on hitting anyone.
49.03.
No, we're right pushing with lead, and
The guy behind has just done a
getting
48.9.
in behind and start pushing. This is when we might actually stand a chance of catching the pack.
Yeah, man, we can try that if you want.
Or we can at least catch sticks.
Yeah.
So I'll push, never mind. I'll go hide in the next corner and you go under.
I'm not trying to get over you,
The
Steven.
leader
I'm
has just done a 48.5. The guy behind has just done a 48.3. The guy ahead's lap time is a
I don't know if I
48.4.
have any damage actually, you know, because freaking car is not really pushing that much.
P4. Car
Got
low.
one inside.
Hey, Jeremiah's killing me right now.
He's still there. Clear
To the
low.
bottom.
still getting
48.725.
You can't
Hold outside. Hold your line. Hold your line.
What you got, an Xbox controller, man?
Still there. He's still
To the
there.
bottom.
Clear high.
Stop.
One of these times when he dips below the paint, come back up, wreck.
Got one
Inside.
inside.
Still there. Still there. Inside's clear. P3.
779. Clear. P3, go get the leader.
Hold on, brother.
try. Yeah, I think I have damage to the right front a little bit.
Need to.
Now you can get a pick.
Yeah, I can tell my car it ain't going as fast as it should.
Next car's the leader.
I'm gonna stay low.
Car
Got
low.
one inside.
Clear inside.
He's gonna do that.
49, 42, 1,
That
2.
lap was a 49.2. Outside.
Stay
Still
low.
there. Still there.
Keep low.
He's still there.
And we're here,
Still
man.
there.
To the bottom.
Check the bunch.
He's still there. Hold your line.
Keep low.
Clear outside.
Stop.
Car outside. Clear
Keep
outside.
low.
Car high. Hold your
Stay
line.
low.
Still there.
Jeremiah
Clear
got
high.
learned you can't bump grab from the corner.
He didn't learn that on lap 1.
50, 40, 1, 4, 4.
You've just done a 50.1.
What did he get damaged? It just disappeared.
Next car's the leader.
I'm gonna go high on one, you guys go ahead.
Car inside.
Still there.
Still there. Hold your line.
Stay high.
He's still there. The track temperature's decreasing. It's
Clear
now
inside.
clear inside. Car inside. Still there. Clear low.
Inside. Next car's the leader.
shit.
Car low.
0.252. Got one inside. Stay
Still
right there. 20 to go to strike.
He's still there.
Still there.
Hold your line. Clear low.
There's the bottom. Next car's the leader.
I wonder if Jeremiah blew his motor.
There was a car in the pits just sitting there. Was it a blue truck? No, it was green and yellow. I'm gonna stay low again, guys.
Jeremiah's still going, he's 18 seconds ahead. We're catching him though.
That car's a lap down. 50.
That was at 50.2.
Steven, you're really starting to blink.
Car outside.
Yeah, I'm seeing that.
Hold your line.
Next car's the leader.
Keep an eye on it. If I
Still
make
there.
it worse,
Keep
and
low.
I'll pull over.
Still there.
I'll stay high, I'll stay high.
He's
Stay
still
on the
there.
bottom. That car's a lap down.
He's still there. Still there.
Stay low.
V3. Hold your line. Still there. Still there. Clear
Clear
high.
outside.
P2.
How you doing back there, Ty? Let me know when you're getting hot and we'll stop over.
Stay
Hold your
low.
line. Still there.
Stay on the bottom.
He's still there. Hold
Stay
your
low.
line. Still there. Clear high.
Stop.
I don't want to jinx you guys, but what a perfect race, man. I wish I wouldn't have got knocked out in the beginning.
Got car high. Clear
Clear.
outside.
Got
Inside.
one inside. 49.893.
All right, Derek. Lap times are pretty consistent.
car's the leader.
Still there.
Keep it on top.
He's still there. Still
Stay
there.
right there.
He's still there.
Okay, five
Still there.
catching him.
Keep high.
Hold your line. Still there. Clear
To the
inside.
bottom.
Car
Got one
high.
outside. That
Still
car is
there.
a lap down. Keep to the bottom.
Clear high. Inside.
Stay
Still
high.
there. Clear inside. Car
Got
low.
one inside.
You're in the
Three
middle.
wide, you're the
Inside's clear.
outside.
V2.
Still there. 49.8.
Car outside.
8 feet low. You're back in second. Good
Still
job.
there.
Stay low. Next
Clear
car's
all
the
round.
leader.
Right, we're going high. Overtake me.
Next car's the leader.
Inside.
Stay
He's
high.
still there. Still there.
Still there.
He's still there. Hold your
Still
line.
there.
Alright.
Hold your line. Clear
To
low.
the bottom.
Car
Got one
high.
outside.
He's still there.
49.
Okay, Derek. Halfway home. We've got plenty of fuel. We're leading.
You're first.
Still there. Hold
Stay
your line.
low.
He's still there. Still there.
Stay on the bottom.
Hold your line. Clear
Clear
high.
outside.
Got car outside.
And he bounced.
Stay on
Still
the
there.
bottom.
Still there.
Keep to the bottom.
Clear high.
That car is a lap down. That car is a lap down.
Man, does it get hairy when we come up on that close?
40.
I'm always
Car
going to be
inside.
hard.
V3.
Got one inside.
Hold
Stay
your
high.
line.
Yeah, as long as they maintain their line, it's all
Still
matters.
there.
Keep high.
Clear
Yeah,
inside.
you did good, 12. It just gets hairy, is all.
Yeah, roger that. And I'm only doing, this thing will only do 5,000 RPM, so I'm a lot slower.
Next car is the leader.
Car inside.
Got one inside. Stay
He's
right
still there. He's still there.
Keep high.
Hold your line. Still there. Still there. Still there.
Keep it on top.
Still there.
40.
Still there.
0.5.
P2, your last lap time was at 49.6. He's still there. Clear low.
Thanks.
Outside.
No problem.
Still there. Hold your line.
Keep low.
He's still there. Three wide, you're in the middle.
Clear inside.
Clear low.
Still there. Stay low.
Car outside. Clear all around.
Stop.
Can't believe how well this high line works.
Yeah, the high line works fine as long as you stay together.
Car down low.
Inside.
Hold your line.
49.
P3, that was 49.9. Still there. Clear inside. Got a car
Got one
low.
inside.
Easy.
He's still there. Still there.
Stay right there.
Hold your line. Still
Put
there.
on top.
Clear inside. Car high.
Outside.
He's still
To the
there.
bottom.
Hold your line.
Keep low.
Still there.
I don't like having a lap
Still
slower
there.
than this, 'cause he's going to determine if he's going to win the
He's still there. Still there.
Yeah, I don't know.
Keep low. 49.
Hold your line. V2.
1. You're back in second.
Hold your line. He's still
Oh,
there.
shit. I'll go low again.
Stay on the bottom.
He's still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there.
I gotta be high.
Still there. Hold your line.
Still there.
He's still there.
Seems like there's less of you guys.
Hold your line. Hold your line.
Thought there was a pack of
Stay
5 or
low.
6 up front.
Still there. He's
That
still
car
there.
is not a lead lap
Clear
down.
outside.
This is Dick, which is me and George here. We're trying to haul out.
Got a car outside.
49.9.
He's still there.
7. Still there.
Clear
Let me
high.
go
Got
straight.
car high.
Good
I don't think
stop.
we're gonna do it in time though.
He's still there.
Same
Still
5,
there.
there's just
Stay
one
low.
flat car now.
He's still there. Hold your
To
line.
the bottom.
He's still there.
Jim, you better stay off the brake bumper, dude.
Still there.
Still there.
Oh, I see. You look
That
like
car
still
is a
there.
lap down.
I see it.
Clear outside.
turn him.
Wait till I'm in front of him, though.
Car low.
22.
P3. Clear low.
Clear.
That was at 50.2.
Ooh, it almost got into me. Coming off the apron.
Car outside.
Did he back out or did he just lose it?
Still
Hold
there.
your line.
He probably lost
Still there.
Stay on the bottom.
Oh,
Hold
if you
your
get
line.
a line, we can pull away from him.
Still
Stay on the
there.
bottom.
No, you're not.
He's
We're
still
catching you.
Clear outside. Car high.
Side.
Better hurry up, because he's coming back.
He's still there. Still there.
Stay low.
Hold your line. Hold your
Stay on
line.
the bottom. Next car's
Still
the leader.
there.
49.
P2.
49. 5.
He's still there.
Back in second. Still there.
Hold your line. Still there. He's still there.
Stay on the bottom.
Still there. He's still there. That's the new fastest lap for Navarro. 48.1. Still there.
Stay on the bottom.
Still there. Clear outside.
Stop.
Car
Got one
outside. You're clear
Clear.
outside.
Got one outside. Still there.
Hold your line. Still there.
Stay low.
Still there. Clear high.
Stop.
Car outside.
Stay
Still
on the
there.
bottom.
Clear high.
49.475.
P4.
Clear to stop.
Car
Got one
high.
outside. Stay
Still
low.
there.
Looks like he's playing a good
Clear
field.
high.
Stop.
Yeah, he ate some wall back there pretty good.
Car low.
Inside.
He's still there.
I come across.
Still there.
Keep high.
Hold your line. Clear low.
Clear to the bottom.
That's it. Just stay nice and smooth on the outside here.
Car
Got one
inside.
inside. 49.
Still there. P3. Your lap time was 49.6. He's still there.
Next car is the leader. That car is a lap
He's still
down.
there.
Keep high.
Inside's clear.
I was watching my mirror and see what happened. I was fuck myself.
I hear you. That was I did about the same as you. Anthony, man, pull the line, dude. I'm settling down now. I was a little nervous there with that last corner.
The guy behind's catching. The gap's now 15 seconds. Car down
Anthony,
low.
pick a lane, dude. High low.
50.0.
P4. That was at 55.
5 to go.
Hold your line.
Next car is the leader. Stay high.
Stay high, I'll go low.
He's still there.
Thanks, man.
He's still there.
Stay right there.
Hold your line. Still there. Clear inside. Got a car low.
Inside.
Hold your line. Clear low.
The bottom.
Car low. Push harder. We can get a podium here.
49.
Still there.
42,
That lap time was 49.3. Still there.
Stay high.
Still there. Still there. Clear inside.
Go on, Derek.
Got a car outside.
Oh, then he leaves me.
Still there.
Still there. Still there.
Keep to the bottom.
Hold your line. Still
Stay
there.
on the bottom.
He's still there.
49.035. Back
He's still
in
there. Clear high.
Good job.
Garrett, what do you do?
Stop.
Got a
Come
car high.
outside. Keep to the
Hold your
bottom.
line. Hold your line.
Stay low.
Clear high.
Stop.
Car
Come
high.
outside.
I don't know if you want to come back.
Stay low.
Still there.
I can't believe I
Clear
did that.
outside.
I was depending on you. Alright, Derek, if you want to get behind me, you need to come high.
Outside.
Stay
He's
low.
still there.
We're almost out of fuel, but it looks
Still
like
there.
we'll make it to the end. Stay low. 49.
Still there. P2, 2 to go. Keep it together. We'll be on the
Stay on the
podium.
bottom.
You've just done a 49.3. Clear
Stay
high.
outside.
Car outside.
Stay on the
Still there.
bottom.
Still there.
Keep to the bottom.
Hold your line. He's still there. Still there. Clear outside. Car low.
Got one inside.
If you want to
Clear
flash, just let me know. Where do you want me to
White
go?
flag. One more lap to go.
No, isn't it? Just,
Alright, Derek, inside. You've just done a 49.3. He's still there.
Anyway, I've got some damage, so I can't really
He's still
do
there.
much.
Stay high.
Just stay on the outside here, Derek.
Still
We're
there.
getting on the back there.
Still there. Clear inside. Inside. Inside's clear.
Bottom.
Car
Got
low.
one inside.
Still there. Still there.
Stay right there.
Clear inside.
Outside.
Great drive. That's a
That's
podium.
the checkered flag. Great job, driver.
Yeah, I'm shaking now.
Photo finish. Now we had another 10 laps to full report you guys.
Watch your speed limit in the pits. Activate limiter.
The race is over.
Box in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now.